In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you all the prop firm rules available on Breakout prop firm, all the rules you need to know so that you don't lose your evaluation account on prop firm. Now, my name is Femelani. I'm a crypto trader and I make videos on crypto and how to trade and how to make money online. So if you love videos like this, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you. Now, as you can see right here on the screen, this is my Breakout dashboard for my 100K evaluation account. You can see my account balance, my profits, and if you scroll down, these are the goals overview. Now, let me go straight to the point. I don't want to waste your time. So I want to explain to you all the rules you need to know. So first, I'm going to explain to you using all the rules available for my own account. Then I'll go to the website and show you all the rules available for the different accounts you can get from 5K, 10K up to 200K. So let's go straight to the point. So as you can see right here on the screen, again, I'm on the dashboard, my own dashboard on Breakout. And if you come to the bottom side right here where you have this goals overview, you'll see three different boxes right here. The first one, you have your profit target. The second one, you have your maximum drawdown. And the third one, you have your maximum daily loss. Now, these are the rules you need to actually take note of, these two rules: maximum drawdown and maximum daily loss. Now for this profit target is just the profit you need to make to go to the funded phase. So this is a one-step account. So once I get to $12,000 profit, I go to the funded phase immediately. That's for the target. So the target is not like a rule, it's just like your profit or the target you need to make. I hope you understand that. Now for the important ones, the maximum drawdown and the maximum daily loss, these are the rules. And by the way, when you also get your own profit account from Breakout, you have these three boxes showing you your own rules that you need to follow. I'm only explaining it in this video because some of you might not understand all these basic rules. And by the way, if you want to get your own Breakout profit account or your evaluation account on Breakout, the link to get it is in the description below. If you also use Femi as your referral code or promo code, you get additional discount on your account or whatever account you're getting from Breakout. So that's by the way. Now let me go ahead and explain this maximum drawdown. What does maximum drawdown mean? Now maximum drawdown is the maximum amount your account must get to, but any drawdown more than that, you're going to lose the account. Now, if you look at this, they're telling you right here that your equity limit is $95,000. Now, this is for your 100K account, so it will be different for any account you are getting. But I'm only explaining this for my own 100K account. Like I said, I'll still go to the website and explain for the other accounts you can get. So right here for this 100K account, the equity limit, they're telling me that it is $95,000. What does that mean? This means that at any point, my account must not go below $95,000. Now, if it goes below it, what happens? Now, if it goes below this $95,000, I will be losing this account, which means that I won't have access to this account anymore. Now, I can see right here, my current balance is $101,457 right there. So if I continue to trade and it goes below this, I'm losing this account. That's the first rule or the first point you need to understand from your prop firm rules on Breakout. Now, the next one is maximum daily loss. This one means that this is the maximum amount of money you are allowed to lose in a day, and it is always 30%. This one is the same for any account you are getting. It is always 30%. So it means that you must not lose more than 30% of your previous day balance. So you can see right there, my prior day balance, that is my balance yesterday, was $101,549. And then if you remove 30% of that, what you have left is this equity limit, which is $98,503. So what this means is that for today, if my account goes below this amount right here, I am losing this account for today. So it means that for tomorrow, they will calculate it again. And how they calculate it, like I said, is they take your previous day balance and they remove 3%. The amount that is left is what you have here. So if it goes below that amount, if your total balance goes below that amount for that day, you will lose that account. So these are the important things you need to take note of on your dashboard when you get your own account. Now, with that being said, let me go to the website and show you all the rules for the other accounts you can get from Breakout. By the way, before I go on, please, if you have not liked this video, please go ahead and like this video. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Now, right here on the screen is the Breakout website. Now, if you want to see the rules or maybe you want to see more detailed information about the rules, come here to where you have choose an evaluation, click on it. Now, once you get to this page, come down to where you have all the different accounts. Okay, this pricing here. So this is where you have the different pricing. Now, select the account you want to get. So let's say, for example, you want to get a 5K account. come here and click on 5K. It will show you the different accounts you can get. On Breakout, they have Classic, Pro, and they have Turbo. If you want to learn about all of these different accounts, you can check my previous video. I'll put the link in the description below. I explained that in the previous video. Now, once you click on the account you want to get, you can go ahead and get it. But if you want to get more information on the rules and other details, keep scrolling down to where you have this compare plans. Now, if you come here to where you have compare plans, this is where you can see the detailed information about the rules for the different accounts at 5K. This is for 5K because we selected 5K. So at 5K, these are the 3 different accounts you can get. You have the one of $45, you have the one of $33, and you have the one of $20. Now, if you come here under faces, now for faces, it means that these accounts are one face accounts. So it means that you just need to pass one face and then you go to the funded stage. Now, the next one is for the profit target. Now, for the profit target, for the Classic, it is 10%. For Pro, it is 12%. And then for Turbo, it is 9%. It is the same thing for every other account, whether 10K, 50K, or 200K. So for the Classic, again, it's 10% target. Pro, it is 12%. And then Turbo, it is 9%. Now, for the maximum daily loss, like I said earlier, it is 3% all through. For the 3 account, it is 3%. And then for the maximum drawdown, this is the important part. Maximum drawdown, it is 6% for Classic, 5% for Pro, and 3% for Turbo. So it means that for the Classic account, you still have the grace to lose 6%. Anything more than that, you lose the account. But for the Pro, it means that you cannot lose more than 5%. So you can see this one is still better. You can still lose up to 6%. But this one, if you lose more than 5%, you lose the account. And then this one is the most risky one. So if you lose 3%, you lose the account right here. But it is the one with the cheapest price. So if you are the kind of person that want the one with the cheapest price, you can go with this one. But take note that it is highly risky because it has the lowest drawdown. But if you come here, the one with the highest amount, which is $45, you can get this one. And you can see that the maximum drawdown is 6%, which means that it gives you more room for error. So please take note of that. Now, if you scroll down, you can see where you have these rules that don't exist. Now, I want you to listen to this part because a lot of people always think that there are some rules that exist on Breakout that are hidden. There are no hidden rules on Breakout, and that's one of the reasons why I love this program. Now, if you come here to time limit, there is no time limit. And what is the meaning of this time limit? Because there are some programs that they give you a particular time or duration for you to pass that challenge. So they will tell you that, oh, you must pass the challenge in 10 days, in 15 days, or 10 days. And they tell you that if you don't pass the challenge in that time limit or that time frame, that means that you lose the account. For Breakout, there is nothing like that. Now, the next one is minimum trading days. Now, for minimum trading days, you have none. So for this one, it means that, oh, maybe a program is giving you that you must pass the challenge with a minimum of 10 days, 5 days before you go to the next stage. So there's none of that on Breakout. So on Breakout, it means that if you pass the challenge today, you can go directly to the funded stage or the next stage immediately. You don't have to wait for at least 5 days, 10 days, 15 days like some other prop firms. Now, the next one, you have consistency rule. For this one, there is nothing like that. So for this one, it means they're telling you that you must win almost the same amount of profit from all your trades. So for example, if you are winning $500 profit from a trade, the next trade you must win maybe like around $400 to $600. But if maybe on the next trade you win like, let's say $2,000, they will cancel your account or close your account because the amounts are not closed. I hope you get it. So if you win like $10 from one trade and you win, let's say $1,000 from the next trade, that is not a good consistency rule. So they will cancel your account. But on Breakout, there's nothing like that. You can win any amount you want. You can close your trade at $10 profit, $1,000 profit, or any amount you prefer. Now, profit cap for this one, there's nothing like profit cap on Breakout. So some prop firms, they will tell you that, oh, you can't win more than this amount of profit, or maybe you can't withdraw more than this amount of money. No, they don't do all of that on Breakout. And the next one is news restriction. So there's nothing like news restriction. You can trade anytime you like. You can trade the news if you also want. So you can see right there, these are all the rules that they have for their account, and these are the rules that they don't have or rules that don't exist on Breakout. Please take note of all of these things, very, very important. And then if you want to go ahead to get any of these accounts, just come here and click on start. And don't forget to use Femi as your promo code to get additional discount on these prices. So if you scroll up, you can also see the different accounts here. So if you want to get 10K, 25K, 50K, or 100K, or 200K, you can get that right here. And for 100K, you can get it for as low as $330, a 100K account. No Profrem will give you 100K for $330, which is even one step account. So you can go ahead and take advantage of this discount because they've reduced their prices. This one is now $330. Before it was around $450 to $500, but now they've reduced it to $330. And they've also reduced the prices for all the accounts, everything. They've reduced the prices. So you can go ahead, take advantage of this right now. The link is in the description below or the pinned comment of this video. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to ask me in the comment section below. If you have any video you want me to make about the Breakout Profrem, go ahead and ask in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.